It's important to know, and let's just finish with this day in this way. Glorious variety surrounding. Some of you like and some of you don't like. You can selectively sift what you like. Hard to do manually, hard to do physically, hard to do in terms of action or words. It is not possible for you, dear hearts, to sort the beliefs or the behaviors of the world into piles of good and bad. It's not possible for you to come to any consensus about which are the good piles and which are the bad piles. And in your effort, what you always certainly do is disconnect yourself from your overview, from your broader perspective, and make things complicated, which makes you feel confused and sort of lost. So you're squabbling over the spoils rather than creating in the masterful way that you can. So what we've been saying about this vortex and your relationship with it, and being in the receiving mode where you get those impulses from it, much of the world, we will acknowledge, and we know you've experienced it too, are in the receptive mode of vulnerability or victimhood or worry or anger. And so everything is sort of happening down here. This is the blah 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 blah. Politics is there, most religion is there, most communication that most people have with most people is there. But what we are really wanting you to understand is that while that is going on, and while that is the fodder for step one, that's the stuff that makes you ask for more and ask for more and ask for more, you have as a people created a vibrational reality that you have access to. You don't have to be one of those who's having those experiences, comparing the relationships, talking about addictions to this and addictions to this and right behavior and wrong behavior. You're not ever going to sort it out. Instead, through that process, you as a collective consciousness and you as an individual have created a magnificent vortex that knows who you are, knows who you've become, and knows what you want. And it is so much simpler to just look for things that feel good. It sort of bothers you because you are used to trying harder than we are asking you to do. You are used to sorting more things out than we are asking you to do. You are used to using your physical senses in more ways than we are asking you to do. We just want you to try it for a little while. If you could trust that you have done step one and that there is enough in your vortex to keep you busy for 20 or 30 lifetimes, and if you could trust that your inner being is there, knowing everything that you've put there and knowing all of the things that will surprise and delight you as you move along, and you would just concentrate on being happy. And you can't be happy while you are in the moment condemning someone for their sexual preferences, and you can't be happy if you are after the fact re-condemning them for their sexual preferences or for any other of their preferences. You just have to live and let live. You just have to let the world be the magnificent balanced place that it is. And once you are consistently in this receiving mode where your life is turning out so well because you are in the receiving mode, then you will be ready to let the others be as they be. But here it is. It's that cart before the horse thing a little bit. We're asking you to find the vibration of it and let the vibration manifest where you are so used to dealing with the manifestation and trying to find the vibration. Almost everybody is looking for a way to get happier emotion. Give me this thing and then I'll be happy. Bring me this relationship and then I'll be happy. Stop doing this and then I'll be happy. Go over there and then I'll be happy. And we say, that's backwards. Be happy and then that becomes your experience. Be happy and then that becomes your experience. And the sooner that you just let everybody else do whatever they are doing, the more likelihood that you're going to be happy. And the more of you who are willing to let others do as they are wanting to do while you be happy will influence this. You see, it's like this. Everyone's put all this good stuff in the vortex. And Source is pointing this good stuff all through you and you and you and you and you and you and you. But you block your circuits when you're looking back at the action or back at the behavior that's already been created. You've got to go with the flow of what's in the vortex. You've got to move on from what was. And the only way to move on from what was is translating the vibration that now is. This is the true reality. This is present tense. This is current. So the conversation that we offered just a little bit ago about the lightning strike, you see the flash of lightning and then you hear the thunder. So which is present tense and which is past tense? You heard that, didn't you? Your translation of it, you are lagging so far behind. Lightning, 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 and sometimes 5 years later you hear the thunder. We have enjoyed this interaction immensely. And for now, we are complete.